Hey guys, today I am gonna show you how you can create a local copy of your GitHub repository in the ChainIDE, start working on your project, make changes to the local repository, and then move all those changes from local repository to the remote repository in the GitHub using ChainIDE Git Manager. So let's start by clicking here Try Now button. After clicking the Try Now button, we have two options: sign in with GitHub or continue as a guest. We will be signing in with GitHub as we want to create a local copy of our GitHub repository and move changes from local to GitHub. So we will be choosing signing in with GitHub. After I sign in with GitHub, I can see all the projects that I have worked on. Here we can see a list of all the projects that I have recently created. For now, we will be choosing a new project and we can choose the blank template as we want to create the local copy of our GitHub repository. Here is the Git Manager. So we will be linking our GitHub repository here. The repository, we want to create a local copy using the poll. Here we will be copying the HTTPS link and going back to ChainIDE, pasting here and clicking link repository. After we click this and we click this button pull, and a local copy of our this GitHub repository will be created in the ChainIDE. Here we can see in the Explorer panel all the files will be accessible and we can start working on our project in the ChainIDE. We can make changes and then move those changes from ChainIDE from our local repo to the remote GitHub. Here we can make some small changes for just to the demo purpose. Here I am making some small changes. Here we make a few small changes. So we compile it by pressing Ctrl+S, or we can press this button, and after we compile it, here we can see all the files that have been changed. So the first one is gang abc.sol, and these two files have been changed, and now I want to move these changes from our local repository from the ChainIDE to the remote repository in the GitHub. So I will choose all these files I want to change and I will mention what changes I have made. For example, updated code, or you can commit with some other name and click here commit and push, and all these changes will be made to your remote repository. We can confirm clicking here commits, and here updated code, we've made this change, and here we can see all the changes that has been made. Here we change like the default maximum price, default token reserved, default price, and we change all these like variables. So this is how you can make a local copy of your repository in the ChainIDE and start working on the project, then make all these changes, move all these changes from your local repo to your remote repo. So ChainIDE has made it very easy. Give it a try today. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter for more features and updates regarding ChainIDE, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.